courtroom was silent, but the tension was loud. Everyone was waiting. The judge was ready. The lawyers were prepared, but the government, they had nothing. No documents, no evidence, no case. And in that moment, something became very clear. The Nigerian government is scared of Nnamdi Kanu. They know that once the truth is fully out, there will be no more hiding. So let's talk about what really happened on May 21, which is today. Let's break down why this trial has become a global embarrassment and why, my people, freedom for Kanu is closer than ever before. Before we go deeper, quickly do three things. Subscribe to this channel, click the like button, and comment below. Freedom can't be delayed. We need your voice to spread this truth. On May 21, Nnamdi Kanu was brought to court again. His lawyers were ready. His family members were present. Journalists, observers, even international diplomats were watching. Everyone expected something big after months of delay. We thought the government would finally bring something serious. But what happened? Nothing. The prosecution stood there, fumbling with empty files. No new charge, no update arguments, no witness. Even the judge was confused at one point. He asked to ask, "Is this all you have to present?" The courtroom murmuring. Kanu's lawyer exchanged glances. And then came the defense's lawyer voice, loud and clear. "There is no case here. This is a political witch hunt. Government is scared. You see, this is bigger than just a trial. This is about fear." The Nigerian government is afraid of Nnamdi Kanu for three reasons. He exposed too much from Operation Python, down to the killing in the southeast. Kanu opened the eyes of millions. He united too many people, youth, elders, men, women from Nigeria and the diaspora. They began to ask the same question: what kind of country are we living in? It's not afraid. Jail didn't break him. Torture didn't silence him. Courtroom didn't shake him. And that is why they have been keeping him locked up, not because he is guilty, but because they are scared of his voice. Kanu's legal team didn't waste time in court. They asked very direct question: where is the video footage you claim you have? Where are the people you say were affected? Why is the government not responded to the UN's demand for Kanu's release again? The prosecution looked weak. Even government lawyers were whispering among themselves. At one point, a lawyer from Kanu's side turned to the judge and said, "We are wasting the court time. This is abuse of the judicial processes." That was the moment everyone realized this trial has collapsed. Outside the court, thousands were gathered. Some came from Onitsha, some came from Aba, many from Abuja itself. They carry banner that read, "No evidence, no case, free Kanu now. We are watching. The world is not blind." The crowd was peaceful, but they determined. One elderly woman shouted into a megaphone, "They cannot jail all of us. If they touch Kanu again, they touch us all." Even some police officers were seen smiling and nodding quietly. This is not the time to be silent. If you are watching from the UK, US, Canada, or Europe, we need you. Share this video with your networks. Tag your local media and your government reps. Use the hashtag Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Let the world know what is happening in Nigeria. Let's talk international. In the past few weeks, powerful organizations have stepped in. Amnesty International has called the trial a political persecution. The United Nations Working Group Detention has told Nigeria to release Kanu unconditionally. Even members of the US Congress are begging to ask questions. In fact, Socks said that if Nigeria doesn't act fast, sanctions may follow. Why? Because detaining a man without evidence and disobeying court order is a serious human rights crime. Nigeria is playing a dangerous game and the world is watching. Kanu's family members have not stayed quiet. His brother said in press conference they thought arresting him would break the movement, but they made it stronger. His lead counsel, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, also said, "This is a battle for the soul of Nigeria. We are winning." More diaspora lawyers have joined the team, some from Germany, some from Canada, and others from the UK. They are building a strong international legal case, not just against Nigeria, but against specific officials. Yes, names have been listed. If the Nigerian government doesn't release Kanu, some officials could face international court action. If you are just joining us, click the like button now and subscribe to this channel. Every click, every comment, every share makes a difference. We are not just telling story here, we are fighting injustice with truth. Let your voice join the movement. Here are three possible outcomes. The government frees Kanu quietly. This would be a face-saving move, probably with conditions. They try to extend the case again, but this time the court may not allow it. They dismiss the case completely. This would make history, but no matter what they do, Kanu's future is inevitable. Too many eyes are watching, too many people are aware, too much truth has already been revealed. At the end of the day, this is not about courts, this is about fear. The ruling class in Nigeria is afraid that one man's voice has grown louder than their lies. They are afraid that if he walks free, others will rise. They are afraid of the truth. But guess what? Truth doesn't die. You can arrest the man, you can lock the body, but you can't change the message. Let's show the world that we are watching and we are not afraid. May 21 was a day of truth, and the truth is this: they have no evidence, they have no case, they have no excuse. Nnamdi Kanu must be released, and if they don't do it, history will remember who stood for justice and who stood in the way. We'll be watching, we'll be speaking, and we won't stop until Kanu is free.
Please, if you find this video as an eye-opener and very educative, please do well to like, share, and subscribe.